Alright, got a little Mercury. It's a 9.9 for sale. Nice clean little motor. I'll put some pictures with it. Comes with a gas tank. And it's got a wiring harness and a remote. Couple of cables, though you may need to replace your cables, but it's a really good motor. Running, peeing. It'll just sit there and fire off and run. And I had it running, so we got a little bit, warm up, and then it'll up and up. You can see it peeing good. Pump it up well. Yeah, it's a good little motor and shifts good. See if I can shift it for you guys. This forward gear, shifting real nice. Set it off just to show the reverse. Hard to do this filming. And here will be reverse. And there's reverse. I got it back. It does pee better. It's just cold water, I guess. Here, you can see it's peeing good. And it'll settle back down. But yeah, this is a real good running motor. It's very clean, and of course it has, like I said, wiring harness, boat tank. It does have a pull rope if you want it, and yeah, wiring harness. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you. And by the way, I could run it for somebody if they're interested.